takes something special to step into the unknown. The Flextail Helio 600Z, where the cold weather endure battery to light the way in the extreme cold. No matter where you are, it always by your side. Bright spotlight, general floodlight, mixed light, emergency red light, and SOS mode. 5 lighting modes for any environment. With the largest battery of replaceable, it's designed to keep you going, day in and day out. The ultralight ABS body and crystal surface feel nothing but comfort. Maximize durability. Designed for the unpredictable outdoors, Helio 600Z to endure the depths you go, the darkness you light up, the brightness you can set, and the safety will be granted. All possible with the Helio 600Z.